Alright, hello everyone, we are currently recording. We are playing a game called Birds Aren't Real today. You can find it free to play on Steam. And yeah, play. A long time ago, the US government decided to make drone birds to surveil all its citizens. This task force has been involved in all major historical events. The Louisiana Purchase, the moon landing, blah blah blah. Okay, however, conspiracies have begun to emerge. One town in particular, Galena, is roaring with conspiracies. It's the upcoming election. I can't read this. Election result. Oh, I knew. Well, that says birds aren't real, I think. Well, probably, because this game is birds aren't real. Glad to see you, sir. Looks like you crashed London. Your mechanics have become rusty. No worries, you're still in shape to complete your first mission. Let's get a quick diagnostic check. I think that's how you say that. Okay, Birdmouth. That was a rough landing. B-102. Let's run a diagnostic scan. Oh, that's a person. Scan to see what we're working with. Okay. That missing propeller is going to be a problem. Our satellite imaging says it's outside of the yard. Locate the gate key and reacquire the propeller. Avoid suspicion at all costs. We cannot allow prying eyes to compromise our mission. How can people not tell that this is fake? Exit out. Hostile soon. Okay, thank God. Oh. I just pressed shift, I don't know what that does. I can't drop it. Yay, I can fly now. Propeller installed. Oh, I fly with space. Descend with shift. That's what it does. Agent, where are you going? You haven't finished your diagnostic. Good work. Your propeller looks to be in working order. A civilian is back. Let's see who they are. This isn't good. Your civilian database has been wiped. You'll need to recover the data yourself. First, place a nano tracker on the target by pooping on them. Second, take a picture of their face. Oh, that's cool. This combination will automatically fill out the target's profile in your database. So I'm probably gonna have to do that with a lot of people. Okay. Tab. Ooh. Poop while flying with right on his head. Oh. Ow! System. Don't know what this man is saying. I think that's supposed to be happening. Hide in the foliage. Did he actually throw a rock at me? Sir! Sir, how do I take a picture? Sir, hello? Sir, I'm in the foliage. Sir. James L. Just talking to me. Hello there, James. He's one of the main conspiracists. Keep an eye out for him. We'll be getting a visit from our agents real soon for assault of a federal agent and attempted destruction of federal property. I'll see. Great work, B-102. Continue using your poop tracker to restore the civilian database. While you do that on your own time, I'll send you instructions for your first mission. Good luck out there, Agent. New quest unlocked. Party pooper. Yask me. These townsfolk are celebrating the anti-bird mayor. Destroy their decorations. Okay. My quest shows up at the top left. Okay. Pop balloon groups. Just gonna fly. Wee. This is so fun. Yay. Ooh, I don't remember. How do I poop? Oh, that didn't work. Shift. Pop, pop. Not here. Not here. Can't see me. Oh. Do you see me? Okay, there we go. Over there. No one's watching. Pop! Pop the balloon! Please, sir. There we go. Should I poop on someone? Why is there so many balloons to choose from? Did I poop on this guy's face? Don't see me. Let the guy with poop go. Oh. Can't tell if that's the girl I pooped on. At least I think it is. Poop again. Oh no. Oh, she's so smelly. She's so stinky. Picture. How do you feel? Subject. What you mean subject hidden? Don't throw eggs at me, stinky poop. Don't leave me. Sir. Sir, hello. There we go. Beyonce D. Okay. You, sir, are next. Where are more balloon groups? Tell me, please. Please, sir. No, I have to tear down streamers too. Did you see that? No, you didn't. You didn't see anything. You didn't see nothing. You didn't see nothing. Okay, got it good. Get pooped on, boy. Don't see me. Don't see me. What's this? I found a book. I dropped a book. Oh. That girl. Birdie bee. Oh. Oh, that's a very relevant name. E. Pop, 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 pop. You don't see. You don't see me. Sorry, you don't see me. You're my next victim. No, you both. I don't want to poop on you, kid. I don't want to poop on you either. Bonk. But I will. Because you're mean. Bianca. Yes. Get all of these. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna poop on this guy. This unsuspecting fellow. Go Z. I'm just pooping on everyone. Why am I doing this? I'm so mean. Does anyone see me? Hi there. Hi. Hi. You don't want to be my next victim, do you? You don't want to be my next. Hey, Brosif, why? I'm my next victim for getting hostile for no reason. You're my next victim, sir. Get over here, sir. Sir! Get pooped on. Sarah, why? And I'm gonna tear down your streamers too. Oh. what's that? It's a balloon where no one can see me. Yeah. Pop. Pop. No one can see this, right? Well, she can see that. Poop on her. Poop on her unsuspecting booty. Oh. Get pooped on. Oh. You poop on your face. On your head, actually. I already poop on you. I already got you. Okay. Just her. Drop heavier items on the top. Oh! You want me to drop heavy items on the townsfolk? That sounds amazing. Where's this? Can I pick this up now? Where's some heavy items? What about a chair? That sounds lovely. Or maybe a wooden, or maybe, just maybe, a wooden train. I can't get that. That's sad. That's really sad, though. Get me down. I'm down from here. Can I pick this up? Why can't I pick anything up? It's gotta be small like a book. Can I pop you, please? Yes, please. I can, yay. This is a hard item. There's no way, it's a hot dog. It's called a hot dog. People eat hot dogs. They'll probably just eat it. I'm gonna drop this on your head. Oh, wrong button. Sorry. Here's a hot dog for you. You don't see me. Sir? Did you just do what I think you just... He hit me! Oh, found a book. Give me. No, I don't want to do that to you. Bonk! Dead now. Wait. Boy, you getting gone. You getting gone soon. You got it good. Boy, E. Boy. Boy, get destroyed. Boy. Boy. I don't want to do the kid. It's nice. Give me the soda. Poop on you. You know what, boy? Get pooped on, boy. Get pooped on, boy. You just ate some poop, boy. Hi there. Hi there. Ginger ale. What about ginger kale, huh? Drop this on your face for that. Those billboards are giving birds a bad name. Paint them over. Okay. The face billboards. I only wish to expose people who spy on your kids. 855 for true. Yes. Where did it spray? No, right there. Hi. Where's Broski so mad at me? Broski! You know what, Broski? Get egged. Now see? Bye-bye, Broski. And you too. And these naughty, naughty children. You're welcome. Boy, pop! Boy? Boy, get pooped on, boy. Get pooped on, boy. Get pooped on. Boy. I got everyone, right? Yep. Bye-bye. test. I'll just Robbie H. I'm just pooping on everyone here. I'm just flying around. Boy, do you want to get pooped on? Boy, you want to get pooped on? Boy, get boyed. This man's getting pooped on. I already pooped on. They're gonna get poo. Max G. No. Not good. City life. Yeah. Oh, I found a book. I'll just put that right there. I'll also just grab this and then I'll just wander off this way. Yeah, totally. I'll just. Yeah, hold up. Let me drop this on this man's head. Bah! Oh, got stuck in the tree. You're stinky. This girl has to be just stuck. Just like that hot dog. Okay, get bonked! Unsuspecting victim. Bonk. Matt L. You can't see me. Ha! I see Paris. I see France. I see someone. That's not nice. Ow, that hurt really bad. Stop it. Stop it. No. You missed. Ah! I see Paris. I see France. I see your head wearing eggs. Or no, boobies. Gotta hold E to vandalize. Are you throwing eggs at me, boy? Unsuspecting victim. Get pooped on. Bah! Yai Z. Can this guy get pooped on, or do I need to take off his hat? Carlos B. Alicia. Something. Oh, I'm gonna poop on this guy's hair. Get pooped on, boy. Boy, get pooped on. Get pooped on, boy. Barski, boy. Boy, Barski. I pooped on your head. Okay, this is really fun. Yay. Those flower beds make the town too happy. Poop on them. Yay! I'm so happy about this. Yay! Boy, you just saw me. Like, sure, I pooped on you, but you gotta get that mad? Do you really have to? Get a poop on your phone. And poopy. Your phone's poopy. Oh. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Boy, are you throwing stuff at me, boy? Boy, I need a repair, boy. Bro. Boy, Sophie. Yeah. You know what? You're getting pooped on, flower bed. You two are too, so be careful. Oh, C. Oh. As the eggs go, just being thrown towards me. Dodged. Oh my god, I'm better. Bentley for third. Bonk. Bonk. Bianca D. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I need to see the scene. No more propaganda. Take down those posters. Birds are real hot. Galleria. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. I got James L, Bianca D, Birdie B, Coco Z, Jasmine L, Elliot T, Sarah Y, Shelly V, and Jaylee. I also got James L. No. Oh, it's the same thing. I guess I don't have another one. Hats. Or the flower hat. E. Shut. Crazy. I think I'm crazy. Somebody tell me, please, what the heck is going on? Do. Robbie H. Your vote, your voice. No, you're stinky. No, people get their own voices except for me. Gonna poop on this guy's head from so high up that he won't even see it coming. Then I'm gonna get a picture from him from so high up he won't even see it coming. No one can throw eggs at me because I'm so high up. That's how that works, right? Oh, now the egg landed. Yeah. My most unsuspecting victim of all. Are you running to a child's aid? You're disgusting. I feel so bad for Elka. Did I actually get the poop on her? Please tell me I did. There we go, Taro Z. He's stinky. Birds are fake. No, you're wrong. You're stinky. I'm gonna poop on you more. I'm gonna poop on these inspecting children. Poop. Bianca. His name is Bianca Watch. It's Max. What are you holding that I want? Please tell me. Because I am under the water. Tell me, please. Tell me right now. We need to ensure the mayor's propaganda hasn't leaked into the internet. Knock down the townsfolk's tablets and inspects. Hey, boy! Boy, you wanna die? Boy! Not good people. Not good people. That's not good people. Poop. Just gonna poop on you. Then he's gonna drop his phone. He's gonna poop again. Gonna grab the tablet. Thank you. Bye-bye. Then I'm gonna put it right there. Or, no, that's not what. I'll just poop on your unsuspecting faces, then I'll snatch. Oh, also grab that. I'll just hold on to that for a second. I'll just put it in there. Tell me, please tell me. I'm so sorry. I need those profiles. You know, you're just gonna get pooped on too. You know that, right? Pooped on. You're pooped on too. Boy! Just throwing egg at me. Bianca D again. So tell me, please. Where am I supposed to put them? Thumb. Ow. Still be a child. Do I drop them from the highest place I can imagine? Oh. It's getting so dark. Oh, that's totally not creepy at all. Please break. A, do you want to get pooped on? Do you want to get pooped on? No, no tablet.
Hey.
Poop and that. Ha. I'll just take your picture. Then I'll just hold on to this for you. Thanks. Somebody. Ha! You're stinky. Hey, did you throw a grenade bomb at me? That's so stinky of you. Max G again. Again, Max G had stolen the spotlight. Why, sir? So unproud of you. Can I like put them in the box? Is that a thing? Please tell me. Because I can't do anything. What do I do with the tablets? Someone tell me, please. Please. I'll just take care of that. I'll just take care of that too. Maybe that one. Maybe that one too, and that one. Yeah, that's probably where the mayor lives. Let me just bring him his tablet. Can't go indoors. Okay. Can I please like sell this? I don't understand what to do with this. Do I literally just steal it and that's it? Like, do I just collect all of them and put them in a building? Cause that's what I'm thinking. And dinkin' is a dinkin' with a dinkin'. Bonk, 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 bonk. Oh, such a nice day. This is so lovely. You just got pooped on, boy. Coco Z. I swear I've gotten that guy before. I'm sorry, gal. Wow, this place is really big. So tell me. Can someone actually like tell me where to put these stupid things? You never told me. You just told me to steal it. Pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Yeah. Sorry. Bah! I swear I've heard of Jasmine now before. Stinky. I'll just hold that for you. I'll also just take a quick snap of you. Maybe just a quick poop on you. That would be so nice for today. If I could just get a poop on you. Maybe 3. 3 would be better. Yeah, totally. Now, where did I leave that other tablet? Ooh, another. I already pooped on this guy, so bonk, 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 bonk. Get pooped on. They look like eggs when I poop on her. Give me the tablet. Bye. Oh, that's where it is. Crazy, I think I might be going crazy. Need somebody to tell me, please, what the heck is going on? Crazy. I think I might be going crazy. Need somebody to tell me, please, please, what the heck is going on? Can I poop on your head for just a second, dear? I'll take a quick snap of you, a quick snap of you, a quick snap of you, quick snap of you. Yeah, that seems fair. Then you're gonna be my next unsuspecting victim. Bah! Tell me, please, help me. Tell me, please. Wow, throwing my own kind at me will not help. Was that a ball of poop? Cause that's just gross. Why would you be carrying a ball of poop with you? Why would you do that? You're stinky. Oh, is this how it's gonna be? No, it's gonna tell me. Okay. Why is this here? Tell me, please. Oh. These are the last. This is the last couple I'm making today. The last couple I'm putting together today. There we go. Yay, they're so cute together. Okay, whatever. I think I'll end this off with making this girl extra stinky. So, yeah. And this guy too. This guy seems good. Stop hiding. It'll only make your face worse. And get automatically stinkied. Ah. Oh. This guy's the last guy. I promise. Yeah, I said that last time, but whatever. You don't trust me anymore. That's fine. That's not the last guy this child is. Did I miss my poop? Why would I do that? I feel so unaccomplished. Poop, poop. Yay! I got the child, Jenny. Well, okay, I think that's an amazing place to stop this episode. So yeah, this was episode 1 of... Yeah, this was episode 1 of Birds Aren't Real. So, yeah, see you next time. Bye-bye.